The stories of blindness that you all have heard, that I have heard, that have been portrayed in movies and films and stuff until very recently, they're stories of loss, of sad, of all of the more negative emotions. So I said to my boys early on, we're going to go outside of what people normally expect. We're going to be remarkable. We're going to do things differently. We're not going to follow the ordinary path. Now, I will say in the very beginning, when my oldest son, Michael, is now 23 and has a very successful career with Disney Corporation. But back when he was in kindergarten, I mean, the world and the school and the teachers said to me, if he achieves at 70%, that is pretty darn good. And I was like, that's not the extraordinary life that we're going to have. That's not the journey we're going to have. We're going to go outside your ordinary expectations. It was a little tricky here and there. You all know that. I don't have to tell you that. The barriers. I mean, Ross was talking about the different things and lived experience and the strength that you develop because of that. I know I don't have to sell that concept to this group, but I do want all of us in this room today and people that are watching this later to be considering things in an extraordinary mindset outside of what is ordinary. I understand that the world ordinarily says, part-time job or, state job that's under contract, that'll be great for you. That's not what I'm hearing or seeing in this chat today. So I'm happy to be in with this specific group today. We're going to talk about setting extraordinary expectations.